consultant at Encryption Consulting. For those not familiar, Encryption Consulting covers all aspects of the data protection landscape, including encryption, data security, key management, and privacy. We help clients understand and implement cybersecurity models according to their individual threat landscapes. In this video, we will explain quantum computing's transformative potential in the public sector. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, quantum computing stands as a beacon of innovation, offering unprecedented capabilities to private and public organizations worldwide. Join us as we delve into quantum computing and discover how it's revolutionizing operations across the public sector. We're going to begin with a short introduction into the topic before proceeding to delve deeper into quantum security. Then we'll explore opportunities in the public sector for quantum, as well as some real-world implementations. We'll wrap up today's video with a path to the quantum-ready future. Quantum computing provides a revolutionary leap for the public sector. While still in its early stages, advancements in cloud-based access and hybrid quantum classic solutions make this powerful technology more accessible to organizations, both private and public alike. Especially in the public sector, this opens doors for developing practical applications that address pressing societal challenges and improve public services for all. Today's video may focus on the public sector applications of quantum. However, these same ideas can easily be applied in private sector as well. For generations, computers have been our go-to problem-solving tools. Even before modern computers existed, the field of computer science has existed for over a century. Modern computers work by manipulating tiny pieces of information, like switches that can either be on, 1, or off, 0. These are called bits, but even the most powerful computers built this way struggle with some problems. It's like trying to find a specific grain of sand on a massive beach. It takes a very long time. Quantum computers harness the strange and wonderful world of the subatomic to unlock a whole new level of power. Instead of bits, they use qubits. These qubits can be like a light switch that's not just on or off, but can be both simultaneously. This is called superposition. Instead of executing a function like a search with a single state of true or false, the superposition can try both states simultaneously. This superpower of superposition allows quantum computers to do amazing things. They can quickly sift through massive amounts of data, like financial records or scientific experiments. This can help us uncover hidden patterns and connections that would be impossible to see with regular computers. Imagine trying to understand the traffic flow in a huge city. A quantum computer can analyze all the data points simultaneously and find the best ways to improve traffic flow. Additionally, they can solve complex problems with many variables, like trying to figure out the most efficient route for an emergency response vehicle. So how can this powerful technology benefit everyday people? Governments can leverage quantum computing to make better decisions. Imagine using quantum algorithms to optimize resource allocation, ensuring things like healthcare resources or disaster relief supplies are directed where they need to be the most. Quantum cryptography can create unbreakable codes, keeping government data and citizen information safe. And perhaps most excitingly, quantum computers can help us develop new medicines and materials faster, leading to breakthroughs in healthcare and technology that can improve all of our lives. As you can see, quantum computing offers vast benefits when leveraged the right way and eases the lives of citizens if governments focus the critical use cases in the public sector. In today's digital world, secure communications have become the backbone of our routines. Whether it's coordinating dinner plans or managing financial transactions, the power of emails, text messages, phone calls, and the internet means encryption plays a vital role in safeguarding the confidentiality and integrity of our data. However, this landscape is rapidly changing. The development of quantum computers significantly threatens our current encryption standards. Powerful quantum algorithms are being developed that could crack the codes used in traditional methods like RSA, potentially exposing sensitive public sector data. The ability to execute functions that check multiple outcomes via superposition will allow exponentially more effective computing power while performing tasks like searching for a specific value. Brute force attacks on keys are searches for a specific value, and thus modern cryptography is in danger. This is where quantum security comes in as a critical shield for public data. Quantum security is an emerging field focused on protecting communications in an era with quantum computers. It focuses on two key areas which we will discuss in depth. The first is post-quantum cryptography, and the second is quantum key distribution. As the name suggests, post-quantum cryptography focuses on developing cryptographic algorithms and protocols to secure against quantum attacks. Quantum key distribution's main aim is to enable the secure sharing of random secret keys between trusted parties. Both of these areas are heavily dependent on quantum principles and each other in order to provide enhanced security. To learn more about these topics in detail, please watch our supplementary videos that are already available on the channel. Quantum key distribution and post-quantum cryptography. The increasing complexity of challenges the public sector faces requires efficient and optimized data management, which traditional computing struggles to handle. Quantum computing, with its ability to solve complex problems with unparalleled precision, emerges as a game changer. By leveraging the principles of quantum mechanics, quantum computers can tackle problems that would take traditional computers years, if not centuries, to solve. This unlocks a new era of possibilities for optimizing public services and improving citizen well-being across various domains. Let's now discuss the key areas where quantum computing is poised to revolutionize public services. Transportation optimization. Traffic congestion, inefficient routes, and rising fuel costs plague transportation networks worldwide. Quantum computing can analyze massive data sets on traffic patterns, infrastructure limitations, and real-time conditions. This data can create dynamic and optimized routes for various modes of transportation. Think cars, buses, or trains. This translates to smoother traffic flow, reduced congestion, and significant fuel savings for public transportation systems. Additionally, quantum algorithms can assist in optimizing maintenance schedules for infrastructure, minimizing disruptions and delays. Enhanced emergency response. Emergencies like natural disasters and pandemics require swift and effective action. Quantum computing can significantly improve emergency response efforts by optimizing resource allocation and planning. It can analyze vast amounts of data on weather patterns, population density, and infrastructure vulnerability to predict potential disaster zones and plan mitigation strategies. During emergencies, quantum algorithms can assist in efficient vaccine distribution by factoring in population demographics, medical needs, geographic constraints. Optimizing communication networks ensures critical information reaches first responders and affected communities quickly. Additionally, quantum computing can support evacuation route planning, considering traffic flow, real-time conditions, to facilitate faster and safer evacuation of citizens. Streamline supply chains. Global supply chains face constant disruptions due to weather events, political instability, and logistical bottlenecks. Quantum computing offers solutions for more resilient and efficient supply chain networks. By analyzing vast data sets on production volumes, shipping routes, and inventory levels, quantum algorithms can optimize the flow of goods across the entire chain. This can involve enhancing cargo movements at ports by predicting arrival times and optimizing dock assignments. Additionally, it can improve manufacturing processes by identifying bottlenecks and optimizing production schedules. Quantum optimization can also contribute to fuel efficiency and reduce carbon emissions in the transportation sector within the supply chain. Sustainable solutions. Environmental sustainability is a critical challenge for governments worldwide. Quantum computing can significantly contribute to achieving sustainability goals. Quantum-powered machine learning models can analyze data on waste generation patterns and optimize waste collection routes, leading to reduced fuel consumption and environmental impact. Additionally, by analyzing complex datasets on resource consumption and environmental conditions, quantum algorithms can assist in developing new clean energy technologies and optimizing resource allocation in sustainable development initiatives. Beyond these four applications, quantum computing holds immense scope for transforming the public health sector. By accelerating tasks like drug discovery, personalized medicine, and medical imaging, quantum computing can boost healthcare efficiency to skyrocketing levels. While still in its early stages, quantum computing shows promise in unlocking groundbreaking advancements in healthcare, similar to the transformative impact of the internet and telecommunications on the health sector as well. Quantum computing is no longer just a futuristic concept. Governments and organizations worldwide are actively exploring its potential to improve public services and tackle complex challenges. Let's discuss a few of these currently implemented public sector quantum computing applications. Volkswagen, a leading car manufacturer, utilized quantum computing annealing technology to significantly improve bus routes and traffic flow in Lisbon, Portugal. This resulted in reduced congestion and improved efficiency for public transportation systems in the city. Tokyo-based Sigma-I leveraged the power of a quantum cloud platform to develop optimal evacuation routes in the case of a tsunami. This innovative approach has the potential to save lives during natural disasters. Additionally, they utilize quantum computing to improve the efficiency of robotic carts in a factory setting, demonstrating its diverse range of applications. Groovenauts, a Japanese company, tackled the challenge of waste management by applying quantum optimization to garbage collection routes. This resulted in significant efficiency gains and led to a produced reduction in carbon emissions by nearly 60%. Car manufacturers like BMW Group are exploring quantum computing to analyze and optimize complex processes. For instance, they've used quantum optimization to tackle partition numbering problems, improving efficiency and inventory management. Singapore's quantum engineering program takes a proactive approach by focusing on research and development in quantum-safe networks. This ensures critical infrastructure remains secure even as the threat of quantum computing to current encryption methods grow. These are just a few examples of how quantum computing is transforming the public sector. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications to emerge, leading to a more efficient, sustainable, and resilient future for all. The rise of quantum computers presents a dual challenge and opportunity for governments. While current encryption methods might become vulnerable, quantum technology itself holds immense potential for the public sector. By taking proactive steps today, governments can secure their infrastructure, unlock groundbreaking efficiencies, and solidify their long-term competitive edge. Comprehensive inventory. The key lies in embracing a proactive approach. Conducting a comprehensive inventory of existing cryptographic systems is the first step. This allows for identifying areas that require immediate attention and prioritize upgrades for optimal security. Crypto-agile infrastructure. Transitioning to crypto-agile infrastructure offers long-term flexibility. These systems can seamlessly adapt to emerging cryptographic advancements like PQC standards, ensuring resilience against evolving threats in the quantum age. Hybrid security. Hybrid cryptography provides an additional layer of security during the transition phase. By utilizing both traditional and PQC methods simultaneously, governments mitigate risks and maintain robust protection for sensitive data. Quantum sandboxes. Establishing dedicated quantum sandboxes is crucial for fostering innovation. These platforms serve as testing grounds for near-term quantum applications, accelerating public sector readiness for this transformative technology. Public-private partnerships. Collaboration is key. Forging strong public-private partnerships opens doors to cutting-edge research, expedited development, and knowledge sharing within the public sector. This collaborative approach fuels innovation and paves the way for seamless integration of quantum computing into government operations. By embracing quantum technologies and implementing these recommended steps, governments can usher in a new era of public sector efficiency and maintain a secure digital future for all citizens. In the next video, we will provide more interesting and useful cryptographic content. If your organization wants more information on quantum computing and assessment, please consult info@encryptionconsulting.com for further information. Please follow our channel for up-to-date information on quantum cryptography, as we will continue to release videos in the coming weeks. Thank you.